The Lok Sabha today resumed discussion on the General Budget 24-25. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman is expected to reply to the discussion this evening. In Sri Lanka, the Grand Assistant from India towards upgrading infrastructure facilities of the schools in the plantation sector has been doubled. The Trade and Commerce Wing of the Indian Embassy in China has issued an updated advisory for Indian small and medium enterprises that intend to do trade with local entities in China. The first round of the NEET UG 2024 counselling will begin from the 14th of August. This was informed by Minister of State for Health Anupriya Patel while replying to the supplementaries in the Rajya Sabha. In Paris Olympics, Manu Bhaker and Sarabjot Singh today clinched bronze in mixed 10-meter air pistol shooting event by defeating South Koreans pair of Oh Yi-jin and Lee Won-ho 16-10.